Okay, this is the Fields Weathered Brown Console Table. Say that 3 times fast. All you need to put this table together is your hands. You get 6 of these bolts. One end goes into the table and the other end goes into the leg. Times 4. Okay. The first thing upon looking at this table, could my hand be any shakier? The legs. What were they thinking at the manufacturer? They gave me 3 dark brown legs. The one in back there is so dark you can't even see it, but that's actually the prettiest leg. And only one pine colored, one neutral colored. Why? Either give me all 4 of the same color or give me 2 of each to mix it up so, I could put one each on each side. But no, these geniuses gave me 3 dark legs. That is a beautiful leg, and appropriate for this tabletop and its color. I'm 95% sure this is real wood and not veneer. But things like this make me question it. Maybe it's just the finish they put on it. The legs are definitely wood, somewhat hollowed out, and I'm glad because they're ridiculously heavy. The tabletop is ridiculously heavy. It's definitely wood. Okay, here's the negatives. Let's start with this. This probably didn't come out of the factory like this. As you can see, the whole end table is cracked and falling apart. This is why I say this table is not worth the price. Camera, give me a break. I can get my fingernail all the way in to this seam, and the corner is even worse. Now, for me, that's not really a big deal because I'm a do-it-yourselfer. Oh, this one's even worse. See the gap? I know how to get some wood glue and fix that right on up. Or just take the table all the way apart and rebuild it. Very cheap. You see the paint is already chipping, not chipping, but just peeling off of these bolts. This is, the bracket is also already scratched up. Really scratched up. But here's the thing, it's supposed to be a medieval type table. Guess what? Medieval tables are broke, bent, scratched, you name it. Beat up. It's the way they're supposed to look. For me, I'm probably going to beat this table up more because it's too pristine for my feel. And, frustrated with these legs, 3 being brown and 1 being a light color, and preferring dark colors. Obviously, you can tell with the black wall. I'm going to stain the top darker. A little bit darker. Do I recommend the table? Absolutely. Heavy wood. Though it was put together either rushed and or cheaply, the design and the build is very sturdy. Absolutely recommend this table. For the price, it's no. If it's what you want, then yes, it's worth the price, but you could probably have you could have somebody make this table and the design much cheaper, done with just buying the wood yourself. But if you don't have that luxury, then the price is worth it. And it's worth it in the sense that, good grief, it was easy to put together. I did have a problem with leg D, and I'm trying to hold back the profanities thinking about it. Neither the leg nor the table, being the female, wanted to accept that bolt. It took me about 15 minutes to get it to finally accept the male bolt on both ends. Beautiful color, Beautiful lines in the wood. Those two legs are absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I recommend the table. Very convenient, very beautiful. A little bit larger than I thought it would be. But, yeah, medieval things are big.